Hello everybody, my name is Ian Lamont. I am the publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, including Microsoft Word in 30 Minutes and the Word 2019 cheat sheet. And today I'm going to be talking about how to add a page break to your Microsoft Word document, Word 2019 document. Now, what I'm about to show you, it works the same in Windows or macOS. That is the Windows version of Word 2019 or the macOS version of Word 2019. Interface is the same for this particular task. So open up your document. Here's an article that I've written. And one thing you should know about Microsoft Word is that it automatically makes page breaks for you depending on the settings for the page. So after you type a certain number of words, let's say it's 250 words, it'll automatically insert a page break. And you can see it right here. Okay. What if I wanted to make the page break appear a little bit earlier? That is, I wanted to start right here. Okay. So I want to ask a question, then have the page break, and then it will go on. You can manually do it. This is what you do. Put the cursor where you want the page break to appear. So I'm just clicking right there between these two paragraphs. Then go to the Insert tab. So right now it's on the Home tab. Click the Insert tab and then select Page Break. See what it just did? It just added the page break there. Now that means there's more white space below this paragraph, but that's all right because it did what I wanted to do, which is to start the next paragraph in this bullet list on the following page. For more information on how to get the most out of Microsoft Word, check out our book, Microsoft Word in 30 Minutes, written by author Angela Rose, available from in30minutes.com, or check out our Word 2019 cheat sheet, also available from in30minutes.com. Thank you so much for watching.